What? Hi, Kiwi. I'm good. I'm good. How are you? What I'm doing? I'm eating ice cream. What you're doing? What you're doing, Kiwi? What you doing? What you do? What you doing? What you doing, Kiwi? Stop interrupting me. Yeah, you're a pretty bird. Hi, pretty bird. What? You want some? You want some ice? You want some ice cream? That's what you want? What? I told you. I told. I already told you what I'm. Stop interrupting me. Oh, really, Kiwi? Oh, really? Can you tell me more? Can you talk more, Kiwi? Talk some more. Say, good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, you're a pretty bird. Are you a pretty? Yes, you're a pretty bird. Go. Good boy. You're so pretty. Can you do it again? Is Kiwi a good boy? Does Kiwi like dogs? Does Kiwi like dogs? Can Kiwi say dog? Can Kiwi say dog? Go. Ruff, ruff. Can Kiwi? Ruff, ruff. Kiwi. You don't like. You don't. Oh yeah. Yes, birds. Dogs are good boys. How do I look today? Kiwi. Do I look? Yes, you're a good boy. Ew. Ew. Kiwi. Kiwi. Throw me kisses. Throw me kisses. Throw me. Throw me kisses. Ew. Throw me kisses. Kiwi. What are you doing? What's wrong with